Hi and welcome to my Python YouTube channel. It's awesome to have you here. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great. And make sure to subscribe for future videos. I also have a blog at prosperocoder.com with lots of cool stuff, so feel free to check it out. In my previous video, we were talking about the break statement, which is used to control workflow inside loops. Today we'll be talking about another such statement, the continue statement. The continue statement works in a bit different way than the break statement. It stops the current iteration of the loop and moves on to the next iteration by checking the condition again. Let's slightly modify the code we're using in the video about the break statement. So here we have the two variables, target equals 10, guess equals 0. And here we have the while loop. While guess is not equal to target, do the following. Now in this version we can choose a number between 1 and 20 or press 0 and enter to quit. But to make the game more exciting, let's remove the possibility of quitting earlier. Instead, we don't allow the player to enter 6. So choose a number between 1 and 20, but 6 doesn't work. Now let's change this statement to continue. And now let's compare guess to 6. Now if the player does enter 6, the continue statement stops the iteration and moves to the next, which means the lines of code below the continue statement are never reached. But the loop is not stopped. It just asks for new input in the next iteration. By the way, if the target happened to be 6, the game would be unplayable. And here's how the output might look like. Let's enter 2. Try again. So we didn't enter 6, which is not allowed, and we entered a number which is not equal to target. Our target is 10, just to remind you. Let's try 5. The same situation. Try again. How about 0? In the previous version, 0 was used to quit the program, but now it's just another number, which is not equal to our target. But what about 6? Let's enter 6. Now here, the continue statement stops the loop and begins the next iteration of the loop. So it just asks us to do it again. Let's try 10, which is equal to our target. You win. The break and continue statements work in for and while loops. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.